Her birthday's on Christmas Eve, and she always complains that she only gets half as many presents as everybody else. He wishes he could be there. I hate this job, 'cause I don't work with you. I hate this mood that I'm in. I hate the phone when it's not you. I hate this time before I see you again. I hate these people that are not you. This photo that I've got of you. I hate this empty room that you're not in. Happy birthday, girl. You know I can't be with you. Of course I can't be with you. But I want to say I'm happy with you. I'm happy without you. And I hope you are a happy birthday, girl. I hate my body, 'cause it's not in you. I hate these clothes that keep me from your skin. I hate the need to eat when I can't eat with you. I hate these empty places that you've been. I hate these buildings, roads and fields. They're only useless empty space that just separates me from you. Happy birthday, girl. You know I can't be with you. Of course I can't be with you. But I hope you are a happy birthday, girl. Lovers should be together, and though we are apart, I hope you have a happy birthday, girl. You know I can't be with you. Of course I can't be with you. But I hope you are a happy birthday, girl.